Navigate to our Dice ID platform console at console-uat.diceid.com. New here? No worries. Simply tap the Sign Up button on the top right. Input your name and email, and make sure to agree to our terms and privacy policy to proceed. A confirmation email from noreply@diceid.com will find its way to your inbox. This contains all you need to obtain your login credentials. Meanwhile, grab your phone and download the Dice ID app from your app store. Launch it and, of course, do take a moment to review and accept our terms and privacy policy. In the email you'll find a QR code. Can't see it? Just enable external images in your email settings. Once visible, use the Dice ID app to scan this code. Your credentials will get processed and downloaded in the app. Now, with your app in one hand, revisit our website and get ready to scan our login QR code. You'll be prompted to submit your newly acquired credentials in the Dice ID app for authentication. Since you are signing in for the first time, you will be required to fill in some organization details such as organization name, email, logo, and address. This is your organization profile that only you can set up as the organization admin. A little heads up, if you want that none of the credentials specific data is stored at our end, there's a PII data toggle. But remember, if you hit that, you'll need to resubmit everything for reissuance later. Last step. Once you've painted a complete picture of your organization, hit that Create Organization button and you're all set and ready to use the Dice ID platform console. This is how you can sign up and onboard your organization to Dice ID console and access the credential issuance and verification functionality. Please reach out to us for any further queries.